Hello friends, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm gonna share a quick mini review of Vitro Naturals Rose Water. Now without any further blabbering, let's jump into the video.
This is how the bottle looks like. It is a light pink colored transparent bottle with a sprayer. It is a 200 ml bottle and the rose water is made of edible damask rose. If anyone wants to buy this rose water, I will share the link in the description below. I personally bought this from Amazon with a great discount. The sprayer distributes a fine spray on your face. I apply this toner after cleansing my face with a mild face wash, and this toner gives a very subtle glow to my face. So if you are searching of a great toner, you can definitely check this out.
For more videos like that, please like and share my videos and subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell icon. Till then, bye bye.